Carl here from Brrraaains A Head-Banging Life, gbhblofficial for short, and it's reaction time. Bloodstock 2022 reaction to be specific. Going to the new blood stage again for this video to check out a band I know absolutely nothing about. One of the few bands where even the name doesn't even ring a bell. It's Karma's Puppet, a 5-piece melodic metal band from Macclesfield, who won the Chesterfield Metal to the Masses to earn their place on this lineup. Going to be checking out the song Royal Swine, which is from their latest EP released earlier this year, at the start of this year, part 1. Yeah, I mean, it's melodic metal. It describes melodic metal. That's totally up my street. Plenty. It's vague. It's vague, melodic and metal. You know, two of the things that go quite strongly together anyway. So can't even kind of harbour a guess at it. But a fairly new band as well. Only coming to life about 2019. And of course, we know what happened shortly after that, which kind of put it down and everything. So it's cool to see them ramping up. It's cool to see them having a good old go and having earned their way to Bloodstock for the festival this year. So yeah, I'm stoked to check them out. They're on the new blood stage on the Sunday. So I'm going to put the headphones on and we're going to do this. Let's go. Here we go. Animated than expected, but not quite expected.
You are the greedy and the vain. In your palaces of
I wasn't expecting the kind of old school heavy metal vocals. Interesting.
Pulling hard to run those guys. You can show that you can show. Going larger on your throne. Looking
These vocals are trying to go back to the 80s. Good though.
Are you so?
Right. Fair bit going on here. I like that chant. See that working really well live. Okay, getting strong Avenged Sevenfold vibes from this part. Right, now I've said Avenged Sevenfold, I'm going to hear it more and more.
You can show that you can show. Growing larger on your throne. Looking down on your soul. Are you so?
Drumming man. Like a machine gun fire style. I knew it was coming, but I still kind of surprised by the transition into the chorus, even though I'd already heard it previously. You like it a lot.
So keep the mouth from the line, and don't feed the greed. I've been royal swine. Now look who's on their knees.
What a fascinating piece of music. I've got so many thoughts running through my head. I don't even know like how I can properly express them. I liked it. Let's start with that. I liked it a lot. It's a grower. At first I was like, shit, this is a lot going on here. There's a lot to take in. And I'm thinking I'm probably going to need several listens of this track to really, really let it take hold, really to grab me. But to be fair, by the time I kind of got to the end, I feel like that wasn't actually the case. I feel like I got a real handle on it, and I quite liked a lot of what was going on there. I still think I'd like to listen to it a couple more times, which I will, to really, and I definitely want to hear more. You know, I'm probably going to check out this 3-track EP. I might even do a quick review for the site, because it's only 3 tracks, and I get a real strong idea of what this band are about as a bigger package rather than just one individual song. But based off this one individual song, I liked what they sound like. I like this mix of kind of old school heavy metal vocals, this gringe, this groove sound they've got to it as well, the melodic goddamn guitars, the chorus that gets really, really melodic, and specifically the heavier drumming, the bursts of deathier vocals and sort of kicking up that notch is a nice touch as well, and it flows surprisingly well. I think that was what I was worried about at first when it first sort of kicked off, was like, this flow it feels disjointed. Is it going to actually kind of fit together quite neat as a puzzle? But by the end I totally got it, and it's really exciting music. I'm intrigued, and that's a cool thing. When you don't know anything about a particular band and you come out of listening to just one song, and going, yeah, I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued to sort of see how you perform at Bloodstock. They're on the New Blood stage on Sunday as well, so, you know, it looks like it's going to be kind of late afternoon time. No time's obviously up for the festival yet, but just based off positioning on the poster, which might be a really, really cool time to sort of sit back, chill out and watch and enjoy. And if it then compels you to get up and move your ass, absolutely. Karma's Puppet, Royal Swine. What do you think? You know what to do? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. You can check us out on gbhbl.com, as well as on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Tumblr. Go to Patreon to help us out over there. That's patreon.com/gbhbl, as well as Big Cartel, where you can find some of our merchandise. We have a podcast running on SoundCloud and Apple Podcasts. And of course, if you like this video, do us a favour, hit the subscribe button and help the channel grow. Games, horror and heavy metal. What else is life for?